Okay, this is a probability workshop. We're going to look at question 3 here. It says for two events A and B, it is given that the probability of A is 0.25, the probability of B is 0.5, and the probability of their intersection, A and B, is 0.125. The thing you have to do is build a Venn diagram to make sense of this all. And they give you so much stuff. First, they give you this 0.15. That can go in the middle. I like to write 0.25 on the outside because this is telling you that all of A is 0.25. We know this is 0.15, and all we do is go 0.25 minus the 0.15, and we get what belongs in only A right here. That's 0.1. We do the same thing over here. We know that B is 0.5. It's given. We subtract the 0.15. We get what's in only B, 0.35. Well, there it is. And this all adds up to, we can look at it. It all adds up to 0.1 plus 0.15 plus 0.35. The union of A and B is 0.6. You could also get it by going 0.25 plus 0.5 and then subtracting this 0.15 using the addition rule formula. You'll get the same answer. Okay. Let's take a look at the next question. What's the probability of A intersection B prime? Well, what does that mean? It means what's the probability of something being inside A, but it has to be inside A and it has to be outside B. Well, the only thing that's inside A and outside B is 0.1, and that's your answer. So if you can read this probability, this means not in B. This means inside A, and where do they cross over? That's only where do they intersect? That's the 0.1. Are A and B independent? Well, let's try. If they're independent, the probability of A times the probability of B equals their intersection, but it doesn't work. So therefore, they're not independent. That's question 3. Let's try the next one. Okay, it's a similar type of question, but asked in a little bit of a different way. It says, the probability of A is 0.2, the probability of B is 0.5, the probability of A or B is 0.6. Well, they give us all that stuff. If we write out the formula for addition, probability of A or B is A plus B minus the intersection A and B. Just put in the values. A or B is 0.6, the probability of A is 0.2, B is 0.5, minus the intersection. They're asking for this. Well, just add this over on this side. This is 0.7, take away 0.6. The intersection must be 0.1. And now that we've got the intersection, we can fill in all the rest. 0.2 minus 0.1 gives us what goes here. 0.5 minus 0.1 gives us what goes here. I just like to have the Venn diagram to see what's going on. I guess maybe you wouldn't have to do that at all. You don't need the Venn diagram. But let's see here. Are they independent? Well, let's see. If they're independent, A times B, the probability of A times the probability of B will equal their intersection. Well, 0.2 times 0.5, hey, that equals 0.1. Therefore, A and B are independent. Okay, that's question 3 and 4 of the workshop. All righty.